Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Mohamad Adha with Matric No with matrix number S56133. Today, I want to present my slide proposal with title Meta-Analysis Study on Detection of Adulterants in Stingless bee honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that has been used widely since ancient time. It is widely used in numerous applications among natural products, including for clinical application, and it contains about 200 various substances. The stingless bee honey is less available in the market, but it gained more interest and popularity due to the claim that it has more beneficial health effects as compared to the common honey. For the medical applications, research on stingless bee honey have reported its biological properties, which are antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-ulcer activities that can be utilized as medicines. Adulterants are the main issues in stingless bee honey products because it will affect the quality of stingless bee honey. Glucose, sugars, and commercial syrups are common substances for honey adulteration. Describe well-known adulterants from sugarcane and sugar beet, such as corn syrup, glucose syrup, sucrose syrup, and others. The glucose also can alter the chemical and biochemical properties of honey, such as the enzymatic activity, electrical conductivity, and specific compounds contents. Several analytical methods have been proposed to detect the presence of adulterants in stingless bee honey. We can classify this analysis into two methods, which are classical and modern methods that consist of infrared spectroscopy, chromatography methods, and nuclear magnetic resonance analysis. For significance of this study, it can lead to future discovery on the development of stingless bee honey as a high claim health products in the future. It also can improve our knowledge about the beneficial information on the quality control of stingless bee honey. For material of study, I have reviewed research articles that covers 10 years period from 2011 to 2020 using the online database such as Web of Science, Science Direct, and Scopus. My limitation for this study is only using meta-analysis study to conduct this research. Some of analysis has been properly used, such as one-way ANOVA and post-hoc tests. Objectives for this research is to compile data and review previous research on the analysis and detection of adulterants in stingless bee honey. Next, to perform the meta-analysis study of the adulterants such as glucose, fructose, sucrose, and HMF contents in stingless bee honey. Lastly, to investigate the relationship between this study and physicochemical properties for each of adulterants. For the problem statement, the adulteration process has become a serious issue in stingless bee honey. Next, analysis or method to detect the adulterants in stingless bee honey has been performed. And lastly, the systematic review through meta-analysis is still not available for this research. These are the journals that I have been used to search and explain about the properties of stingless bee honey. In the previous research, there were also a lot of study about the chemical constituents and biological activities that related to the stingless bee honey. Based on this research, we suggested a straightforward approach for detecting adulterants in stingless bee honey by combining chemometrics with FTIR, ATR spectroscopy. Second, NMR methodology allows all variables to be investigated rather than separately, as is the case with the most often examined parameters. And last, separating and identifying semi-volatile and volatile components in honey is done using the LCMS and GCMS techniques. For meta-analysis study, a systematic review collects and synthesizes the findings of research that answer a specific topic using a defined systematic methodology. A meta-analysis of effect estimates is a statistical methodology used to synthesize data, creating a quantitative summary of outcomes when study effect values and their variance are known. To more understanding, preferred reporting items for systematic reviews and meta-analysis, also known as PRISMA, will be used as a guideline to conduct for meta-analysis study as shown in the flowchart image. For the method, I have collected the literature in ranging years from 2011 to 2020. Next, I also conduct this meta-analysis followed by Prisma. I also using the research engines such as Science Direct, Web of Science, and etc. Furthermore, I have collected the data of extraction from Microsoft Excel and utilized it into the statistical data analysis such as ARC project, analysis of variance, also known as ANOVA, Wilson, and etc. After that, I present the data into the table of results and interpret it. Lastly, I have proposed the discussions and ready to write the thesis writing for this research. For the expected results, the systematic review on the status, occurrence, method detection and analysis of the adulterants in stainless bihani is expected to be done. Second, the meta-analysis study will be successfully conducted and outcome of this study will provide information and benefit to the future research related to the quality control of stainless bihani. These are the reference lists for this slide.